Please subscribe to the channel. Hit the notification bell so that whenever we release a video at the Jamaica Young Police channel, you'll be the first to receive the same. Remember to share the video with your friend, your mama, papa, girlfriend, boyfriend, and your side chick and side man. Yes, and post a comment below, even just to post and say, I am here to show your appreciation of the work that we are doing here at the Jamaica Young Police channel. And thanks for being a part of the movement. So, moving on. We at the Jamaica Young Police channel, we hate criminals with a passion. So here's one of them. This guy's name is Javon Pinnock. Yeah, aka Froggy. Have a distinct scar on the left side of his face, and him eye go all the way down to him cheekbone. And you know, more or less is a Jamaican do that, you know, telephone cut. I don't know how them come by that thing for, you know, to scar people face like that, and that it's just awful, but terrible people. So this man that you're looking at, his name is Javon Pinnock, aka Froggy. Yeah, Froggy them call him on the street, and he's wanted in New York, in Queens, New York, for the murder of Javon Jamison, a Jamaican youth them called Blingers. Yes, and Blingers was killed almost 2 years ago by this man and another man named Christopher King. Christopher King is in custody in New York, awaiting trial for the murder of Jamison. So we are appealing, we are begging, beseeching you Jamaican people in Jamaica and the diaspora, wherever you see this man, to inform the police, whether it's 119 or 911, and let them know that this man is wanted in New York for the murder of Javon Jamison, so that this man can be placed in custody or go straight to the departure home where he belongs, and that's justice. And we say that because we hate criminals with a passion, because there was no reason for this man to kill Blingers, because Blingers was not a threat to him at the time. It was murder, clear murder. Yes, welcome to the Jamaica Young Police channel. To our loyal viewers, subscribers and Patreon member. At the channel, we are a group of law-abiding citizens who believe in the rule of law and respect the rights of every citizen, but not the ones who do not subscribe to such behavior. We do believe in and support preemptive strikes because they save lives. This is a logical conclusion because preemptive strikes save lives and prevent the further loss of lives. We are all about saving lives at this channel. We at the channel aid criminals with a passion and do not want them over here. We do not want your views, your subscriptions, your likes or your comments. Please go elsewhere where the red carpet is waiting for you. Over here, we want you to go to prison or the departure lounge at Madden. Moving on to today's video.
Big up Jamaican police. I respect everything you're doing. I watch you every day. Man, and when I tell you, I am so happy for what you are doing. And when you say the truth bites, I could tell it bites. Bless up again. Bless up. I love your program, man. I watch you every single day. Have a blessed day.
Yeah, so we want to thank that elderly listener, you know, listen to the Jamaica Young Police channel and always tuning in and letting everyone know that, you know, she enjoyed the program. So today, yes, you're looking at a man at your upper left, and the man beside him, that is Peter Bunting. So we're letting the, yeah man, Kevin Tiliba Roberts is a big known coke dealer in a Clarendon, living in Manchester. This is the same man who had brought a man from Haiti to kill the Prime Minister Andrew Willis. That's the man at the top right there. Yes, he had brought a man from Haiti. We have done a video about it here. The man was in Warwick Hill. So the same M16s that he had, you know, this man had brought from, Guy Philippe had brought from Haiti, came into, that was distributed between Warwick Hill and South Clarendon. That's owned by Rocky Point, where this man have influence. Rocky Point, wait a bit, and all these places. I used to station in Clarendon as a young police officer, so I know about all of these drug dealers. Not friends, I'm not friends with them. They don't know me because, you understand what I'm saying. So you're going to hear a policeman who used to work at a mobile reserve. He lives in the United States of America. And this policeman, he is defending Kevin Tillibot Roberts. Those of you who want to hear the full audio, the conversation of this policeman defending this drug dealer, it will be on Patreon in its fullness. But for now, others, you'll get it. We'll give it to you, various parts. It's gonna be in a 10-part series. Yeah, so you watch, you listen, and you decide. So this is the entire video, the entirety of it. So you watch, you listen, and you decide.
That's so good.
Yeah, man, give thanks to life, man.
Yes, sir, Porter.
Mm.
And so me that call you one time.
Yeah.
You did I hear with some statement the other day with Tillibot.
Yes.
Yeah, man. No, you have made a statement and you say your platform is about truth.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, man. So we are talking about truth now.
Mm-hmm.
I was in that era.
Yes.
From 1999.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, man. So I was in that era from 1999 to 2005.
Mm-hmm.
Known Mr.
Tillibot?
Yeah, man.
Mm-hmm.
Somebody remember. I wouldn't say we are friends.
Yes.
But my friends and him is friends.
Mm-hmm.
So I'm talking about the accusation of him selling flour.
No, not flour, drugs, coke.
No, I'm not talking about that. I don't. You had made a statement say him sell flour.
Yes.
To cocaine.
Yes.
He's involved with the trade.
Mm-hmm.
I've heard you say that, sir.
Mm-hmm.
So that's why I call you. I wouldn't call you about nothing else.
Yes.
Because I don't have proof. But we know about the flour.
Yes. Oh, you know about him. Okay, so you know.
I was a part of the flour game.
Oh, okay. So you're saying that you are saying that you are a part of the gang with him that used to sell flour, not coke.
You hear what you said?
Mm-hmm.
Why I'm going to correct you. You just said. I'm saying that I'm a part of his gang that sells flour.
Yes.
He wasn't a part of it.
Okay.
But I'm more understand, Mr. Porter.
Yes, sir.
Our businessman to mix up in a flour. Remember, so the man when I lose the money, we can kill it, just because lick it in your face, Mr. Porter. So Mr. Tillibot is a well-known man. He couldn't put himself in the Mr. Porter. Just think about it.
Put himself in a what?
Involved in a flour trade.
No, him not do it like that. Him do film things on an international basis, wholesale. You remember all the plane? Remember all the plane that crashed down by what the place is Rocky Point. You remember that plane there? Yes. Then his plane, man. The people them from the plane are fee people them. And the police them will pick up the men them, a fee police them from Maypen, from DIU. We pick up the men them. So you come from down there, so you don't know that. Yes or no?
But I didn't hear of him. I hear from a man from Rocky Pipe, not him.
Mm-hmm.
I hear about a man from Rocky Pipe because they arrested somebody twice. You remember that?
Yes.
The man that they said that he was them interested in him from Rocky Pipe. So I didn't hear about Mr. Tillibot.
No, which man you hear say them arrest from down there?
Between the same incident, one man will control one fish place down there. I won't call his name.
Why?
I don't want nobody sue me for defamation occurring.
No, man, you're not sue. No.
He have a thing for the seaside.
Who you at? Mohammed?
I know Mohammed, I know him. That man where used to the England thing. Mm-hmm. A short man. I hear say a short man. Because they arrested him for that purpose.
Yeah, but it was
and the people demonstrate. You remember? And said, look at the man. They went to arrest him a second time again.
Well, and look here, and we know sometimes the people them demonstrate and the police them lock up somebody. We know say a criminal that. People that demonstrate, Jamaican people don't demonstrate for decent people.
Both good and bad.
No, Jamaican people do not demonstrate for decent people. Period.
They did it for good and bad.
No. A majority of the time. A majority. No, but I am. Sorry, you think I'm a foreigner? I'm a Jamaican too, you know. Me say Jamaican people not demonstrate for decent people.
I can't picture the face, but me in some areas where you've been before.
Like where?
Eh?
Like where?
Me never get into it, but me was an ex-man at the same time.
Yeah, ex-police?
So, yes, man. So that's why I tell you, say.
Oh, so basically you're one of the thief in police too, cause you say you used to do it too.
Yes, if you want to say that, you can you're entitled to say it. Yeah.
Then then what? Then if you
disagree.
So you make so me ask you, so you make only money from them thing there for thief and them something there?
It wasn't thief. I was one of the man who stand up one side because remember say a gunman I come to, you know, so for watch the program too.
So yeah, you are the police to provide security for the
when I was in the system, I never used to do that. When I leave the system, I went and did that. I went and be a part of that.
So I lose. You did lose the work?
No.
Resign. So you resign and Jamaica and do the same thing. I must something why you resign, man. I must.
It was something.
No.
Sometimes you're the person topic in everything. And you saw like some man far too teller. But sometimes you're dead wrong, you know, Mr. Potter. And I just know, and I don't.
Hey, look here. Me after me no perfect, so me not go. You understand what I'm saying?
But Mr. Potter, listen to my reason now. I can't just get up and call people near like that. I have a family in Jamaica, you know, and tell no lie for nobody neither. I spread propaganda. I spew. Because your platform is about truth, you know. So you have to hold it to a standard of truth.
Yes.
That's true.
Yeah, of course. Then
you hear me say, so me I go tell you, so me was a part of it. So me not go tell up no lie and come and
So all you used to make money from it? Why you get a cut from the deal or what? Or you make money from
proceeds. All right. When hardship, Mr. Potter. And
that's after you left the police force.
Yes, man.
So why? Hold on. So me ask you now. Before, so what year you joined the police force?
90.
Okay, you joined. So how many years you did the night?
5 years.
So where were your station?
Mobile.
Okay, boy, I mean I tell you, you know.
And something when we did. The job was, I think when we did.
So what? Okay, so hold on. So you lose the job on the 5 years.
You're going about lose. I'm telling you, we go firing. And me I said in sick leave and bridging, and say, boy, Inspector say, I go lock me up if I be a part of whatever. I'm frightened the man.
Inspector said them all lock you up for what?
Inspector tell me brethren say.
Them all lock you up?
Not me, because I not deal with him. I send the sick leave. If you go pick up the sick leave and a man down.
Yeah.
Doctor man down Pegasus. So that's a hotel down there. So. No man, and Doctor man downtown. Now our office they send there.
Yeah.
And so I beg my brethren to collect it. So the inspector intimidate him. He is a murder foreign and don't say I know I'm not sick leave and that. So we couldn't take the stress. I'm saying, this one I'm not sending sick leave.
So you resigned?
I did nothing.
Okay, so you're not foreign and you're on sick leave and you just. So why you never get sick leave from doctor foreign?
Right? Me never know I could have worked like that.
Yeah. So they never teach them thing they train in school.
No, I never remember that. They don't tell me nothing about it.
Okay, can them teach?
But I said that mobile reserve, you don't know I work, you know. You don't know. If you go for a read that man write the statement and all them something that mobile. So mobile was that thing where you just go there. And man say, hey, I broke you out. I said, Squaddy, you never touched nothing yet? And he said, no.
Stop right there. Pause this video and subscribe now to United We Win, Divided We Lose. This channel exposes the enemies of global democracy, led by the US, now under threat from a South African billionaire named Elon Musk, Peter Thiel and others, manipulating the world. Subscribe now. Subscribe to the channel. Those who know the truth but stay silent are nothing but fools and cowards. Speak up or be complicit. As we says, Those who know the truth and stay silent are nothing but fools and cowards. So moving on to today's video. And everything, Mr. Me right.
No.
Yeah.
Your thing is about truth. I like to listen to you because you speak some facts at times. You remember say we there we can tune in and listen to young police. And when me say to someone, man say, young police are liar, Virgin. Most I think me know say some go so, but some go so.
So why him say young police are liar?
Yeah, it's like the same accusation when you say about Taliban, man.
Okay. So
our businessman we have in Plaza. He got involved in a selling floor. Remember, Mr. Potter?
No, look here.
Come to deal with to buy them something there. And once they realize they mess up them at the same time, they so. And I understand it. So remember, I said, Taliban, as a businessman, will live over this. So. You think they enjoy involved in it? First time them man they used to call him man them and say, yo, give back him man money, you not go dead. And the man then still not here. Me hear one you dead down a race course where they are, you say, I kill about people and kill that.
Yes.
No, you figure say that?
They're not information.
About truth.
They're not truth. They're not
call them man there and say, yo, give back him money, youth.
They're not truth, man.
No, Taliban go kill people. There's a police kill him at the little youth on a race course.
Police kill him.
Yes. So how Taliban be involved with that? A businessman like that. Anything else just wants about him? We don't know proof so, but he.
Okay. Wait. Okay. Hold on. So which youth that I said that Taliban kill and a police kill the youth?
The last flower youth down where dead down there. Just a Taliban then kill him.
Yeah, man. Then him kill him, man.
No, if you kill him, but you if you kill him, Sir Potter.
There's no film connection, man.
What do you mean connection?
No film crew.
Film crew?
One thing
kill the youth.
Anything that we say over here, we can defend it on him thing there.
No, man. No,
so
me ask you. Not about defend, Bridget.
So me ask you.
You know our army base now, and nobody can reach you. So me not gonna say it like you can. Me a family out there. So me not gonna say like what you say.
Yeah.
But you there in our army base right now, where you're safe. So it's like say me I want like you not care too, but the truth part me I talk about, you know. That is my. You say your platform is about truth.
Yes, sir. And that's right. That's all right. So look here now between me and I applaud if you bring out to mention it. So if
me say I was apartheid.
Yes.
So me not telling a lie. Me not growing up corner.
Yes. All right. Yes. So just like how we have said before, and I'll continue to say again. If we have said anything over here and it's incorrect, Taliban can call and clarify it. Because we have some. Hey, look here. We have some.
You like the content, Charlie. Why Taliban call him? I will if I think me against somebody, man, Bridget. Is that man I call him?
So why am I call?
You say some things about the man. If man now gonna come and talk to you, Sir P, man. You done and ask the man name.
So what? So him a drug dealer?
Me don't have no proof of that. You ever convicted for that?
No, that's why we tell us. So we never say him convicted for drug dealing. And just like what you hear me say about a police.
But all right.
Hello, Mr. Murray, listen to me. I say, oh, you mean you go and sue me, man? I want thing. That's why I mean like America and them thing. Because when people sue you, America, you have a thing when you're in discovery. Then you have your account or you come by your wealth. Discovery, you have everything, you know. When you come on to your discovery, in America court, you know, all in your bathroom, them go, you know, them get for go. Yeah, so we have come to the end of part 1, of this 10-part series. We're talking with this, former cop. He was a policeman in Jamaica, and now he resides in the United States of America. And you heard him, defending Kevin Taliban Roberts, man, as a good drug dealer. Man, that's what he says. So he's defending his drug dealer friend. And the PMP, people like Peter Bunting and all these people. Peter Bunting cannot deny that he's friends with Kevin Taliban Roberts, a big drug dealer. Can't, because the the record from his cell phone to Kevin Tiliba Roberts' cell phone has shown up so many times. But the police them in Jamaica don't know how narcotics haven't able to nab him. But you know that the drugs law in Jamaica is favorable to the drugs dealer. If they ever catch him with even that a warehouse full of coke. The most they can do is give him 5 years in prison, and it comes with a fine too. So nothing is gonna really happen to him in Jamaica. So we have come to the end of part 1 of this 10-part series. I hope you enjoy the series so far. So have yourself a beautiful day. Jamaica Young Police channel out, and part 2 will be coming up shortly. Peace.